Welcome back to QandA. To like this video, subscribe and if you haven't yet, and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. So let's begin our today's video. Today's video is homemade bangles. So first of all, take any color sheet and fold it till the end, and then give glue and stick it. Okay guys, so today it is day 5 of 5 days of paper jewelry challenge. If you haven't seen my day 1, 2, 3, 4 videos of 5 days of paper jewelry challenge, then you can check them out. The links are in the description box. Okay guys, so just continue this, and remember to like this video, subscribe and press the bell icon to get all new updates, and also comment me what shall I make next, means what do you want me to make next, and if you have any questions related to this video or to my channel, or any suggestions if you are having, you can just comment below and share this video with your friends and families. Okay, so like this one is done. So now you take a pen or a marker, anything you want, pencil or you can use, and make like circle. Okay, so it will look good. And then you have to take the measurement of your hand, as you're gonna see. I'm gonna take now. So you could see I made like this, and means I just did like that, and then I'm taking the measurement of my hand, and I saw that, not sure. So after that I will apply glue on that part, and I will stick these two parts together. And so then our first bangle will be ready. So we have to make the second one. So second one is the same way. Okay, like I fold it, and now I've applied glue. Now I will take a pen and I will draw circle, okay, in the whole part. Okay, let's do this. And so guys, you could see right now that I have completed doing that also. So now let me see the measurement. Okay, I am taking the measurement in my left hand only. Okay, so now I'll give glue, and it's ready guys. You can see both are there. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for having support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you haven't seen my videos, then check them out right now. Bye.